खुश रहो। दिस इज JBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम BSc B.Ed PCM 5th Sem and course is multivariate calculus and vector differentiation. Session of today is some numerical problem on gamma function. So this is the problem of gamma function in front of you. Evaluate gamma minus 1 by 2 and gamma minus 3 by 2. So we know that the duplication formula gamma n gamma 1 minus n is equal to pi upon sin n pi. This is the duplication formula gamma n gamma 1 minus n is equal to pi upon sin n pi. So solving this problem, in this problem we have to use this formula, and putting the value of n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in this equation, we get gamma minus 1 by 2, gamma 3 by 2. Replace n by minus 1 by 2 and pi upon sine minus pi by 2. It is because n is replaced by minus 1 by 2. So pi upon sine minus pi by 2 is equal to minus pi. This implies gamma minus 1 by 2, gamma 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2, or gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So gamma minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 root pi is equal to minus pi. So transfer the root pi at the right hand side, and 2 also gamma minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2 root of pi. So this is the value of gamma minus 1 by 2. In the same manner, in the duplication formula gamma n gamma 1 minus n is equal to pi upon sin n pi, putting n is equal to minus 3 by 2 in this equation. When we put minus 3 by 2 at the place of n, gamma minus 3 by 2 gamma 5 by 2 is equal to pi upon sine minus 3 pi by 2. So gamma minus 3 by 2, gamma 5 by 2 is the 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2, gamma 3 by 2 again 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. So gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So value of this equation will be gamma minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into root pi is equal to pi. It is because sine minus 3 pi by 2 is equal to 1. So gamma minus 3 by 2 is equal to 4 root pi upon 3. So this is the solution of gamma minus 3 by 2, value of minus gamma 3 by 2. Evaluate another integration 0 to infinite x to the power 5 e to the power minus x dx. So here limit is 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite is the limit of gamma function, and x to the power 5 can be written as x to the power 6 minus 5, and e to the power minus x is written in the e to the power minus x. So compare this integration with the gamma function 0 to infinite e to the power minus x, x to the power m minus 1, that is 6 minus 1. So the value of this function will be gamma 6, or gamma 6 is equal to factorial 5. It is because gamma n plus 1 is equal to factorial n. So gamma 6 is equal to factorial 5, or factorial 5 is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 120. Next example, evaluate 0 to infinite x to the power 3 by 2 e to the power minus 5x dx. So integration I is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power x by e to the power minus 5x x to the power 3 by 2 dx. Here we have to put some substitution, putting 5x is equal to y, then 5 dx is equal to dy. After putting, integration become I is equal to 0 to infinite At the place of x, it is y upon 5 to the power 3y2, e to the power minus y, and 1 by 5 dy is equal to 1 upon 25 root 5, 0 to infinite, e to the power minus y, y to the power 5 by 2 minus 1. 3y2 can be written as 5 by 2 minus 1. So this function is comparable to the gamma function. Gamma function is 0 to infinite, e to the power minus y, y to the power m minus 1 dy. So after comparison, we get 1 upon 25 root 5 and gamma 5 by 2. Gamma 5 by 2 is equal to 3y2 gamma 3y2, again gamma 3y2 is equal to 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2, and gamma 1 by 2 is root pi. So putting all the values in this expression will be 3 root pi upon 100 root 5. So this is the final answer of this function, this integration. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. See you.